If you're an IT field tech working on marketplaces like FieldNation, CloudWork Pro, and WorkMarket, you've probably griped and complained about their fees more than once. 5%, 10%, sometimes even 13% shaved off your pay. I get it. It stinks to see that fee evaporate off of your pay. You find yourself saying, why am I paying these fees when I could go out and find these jobs myself? Well, could you? Hang tight, I'm about to show you why those fees might just be a hidden advantage for you. Plus, stick around to the end, and I'm going to show you a little secret, how to score service calls with zero fees. Picture this, you ditch the marketplaces and you go rogue, hunting down your own clients. Sounds liberating, right? But there's a catch. Finding consistent work on your own is not always that easy. You're sinking hours, maybe even days, into networking, cold calls, building a website, or running ads, spending all that time chasing leads that might just ghost you. Time's a ticking, and that's time that you're not doing billable work. Let's do some math. Let's say that you're on the marketplaces making $1,000 a week. They're going to take out a 10% fee, which is $100. Ugh, $100. I mean, that stinks, right? Now, imagine you're self-prospecting. You're spending 10, 15, 20 hours a week going after your own work and your own clients. At $50 an hour, that is anywhere from $500 to $1,000 in lost billable time. Way more than paying a $100 fee to a marketplace. And that's if you land the work. On these marketplaces, the jobs are posted around the clock. Browse, request, get assigned, get the work done, get paid. I know a lot of you feel like that fee you're paying really doesn't do anything for you, but it really does. These marketplaces post over 1 million tickets a year across the United States. Payments are automated, so you don't have to spend time creating invoices, sending invoices, chasing after clients that are paying late, or some clients that don't even pay at all. It's a system designed to keep your calendar packed and to keep you out there doing billable work. And those fees aren't just going to pad the pockets of these marketplaces. You're buying access to companies and clients that wouldn't give you the time of day if you're working solo. You get access to their website and mobile apps to manage your tickets. You get automatic payments set up so you don't have to chase money. And you even get all of your 1099s sorted out for tax season without having to calculate all your payments. Try getting all of that done yourself without losing your mind or your wallet. Marketing alone could cost you hundreds in ads or time with no guarantee of a payout. That 5 to 13% fee stings a lot less knowing that you can ditch the self-employed roller coaster of being booked up one week and having no jobs the next. The fees you're paying are more like a VIP pass to a constant flow of work. Now, the secret I referenced earlier in the video is direct clients. Now, this isn't you going out and pounding the pavement and making phone calls and begging local companies to do business with you. These are companies that operate a lot like the marketplaces. They have their own clients nationwide that they're working with. They offer service calls just like the marketplaces do. The difference is they don't charge fees. So if they say they're going to pay you $65 an hour, you're going to get $65 an hour. Now, does that mean that I only do work for direct clients? Of course not. I will take work from anyone that's offering it as long as my calendar is full. Fees or not, it's about the payoff. Less time scrambling for work and more time to dominate as a high-quality technician. Marketplaces aren't perfect, but they are a lot better than starting from scratch. So are fees worth it or not? Hit me up in the comments. Let's talk about it. I want to see what your opinion is. And don't forget the no fee trick. I have a link in the description of the video that will take you to the direct client package information page, and it'll teach you all about it. Let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.